Y'all be bullying me to post. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I'm just coming to you with a little daily vlog. As you can see, I got up, I did stuff. It's the afternoon right now. A little cardio in, I had a little work call to jump on. So anyways, a little shopping to do for Christmas. Not much, already did most of my shopping. I just did it online and had it shipped to the destinations. And my mom's gift sent to her. I got her this gold necklace with birthstones for each of her grandkids on there. And then I have 5 nieces and nephews. So I've just been shipping things off. Yeah, oh no. I wore the headband when I went out for my walk and now I got a line. I'm just gonna be doing stuff. And I thought I would just pick up the camera because I haven't posted in like a week and a half. I need to renew my passport in the year 2026. I don't need to renew it until September, but I already got a notice to pretty much I can renew it now. I think I'm going to. And I don't have any trips coming up. Do I? I don't know. I feel like I kind of want to do a little weekend getaway in January. Anyways, I'm going to take my passport photo and I'm going to take it here at home. Because I forgot I can just take it myself. Like, you don't go to Walgreens and have them take, no. I'm going to do my own photo. I'm going to put on a little makeup and then just take it right here in my living room. My weeks of bad eating finally caught up to me. Break it out. This is like my diet right here. This has been perfectly fine. It just is one patch here and it's like, girl, clean up your diet. Okay, stop eating dairy. You know you ain't supposed to. I got like another little breakout coming here. I don't know why, it's just like this section of my face. Fine, I'll eat like I'm supposed to. I love food, okay? I like to eat. It's like, oh, we're not in the cut anymore. Girl is gonna eat. But I'm still in a good place. Still feeling good. I actually decided to hire a trainer, which I haven't done in a very, very long time. You know, I just kind of take care of my own stuff, follow my old program. But sometimes a coach needs a coach. I'm hiring someone who is at like the next level to really push me to the next level. I sent him over everything and just waiting to get back my program, which I will be following all next year. Just really excited to see where we can take my physique to. And I let him know that, hey, I'm not doing any bulking. Those days are long gone. So we're gonna keep me at maintenance and then we're gonna go from there. Ooh. All right, makeup is done. Ooh, it's time to wash this. I think I'm gonna fluff it up and just kind of leave it as is. The best thing about curly extensions, even when it's like frizzy and messy, it looks good. I don't know what took me so long to go to curly extensions. I feel like my face is just made for big hair. I always love a middle part bust down, for sure, but the curly is just me. I had my nieces and nephews send me what they wanted for Christmas. My niece sent her little list and then she sent me a Lululemon jacket. I said, excuse me, how dare you disrespect me like that? Are you kidding me? We are honor over here, please. And she's like, wait, never mind, I want the honor set. I'm like, that's what I thought. So I did get her, she wanted the jacket, but I got her a little matching set. I got her the unified jacket And then I got her a pair of matching leggings. I'm gonna get this mailed off actually today. I'm also gonna try to find like a little cute little basket with like some skincare, maybe some body mist and things like that. I did also pick up boyfriend collection. I got a hoodie. I thought I got a crew neck. Oh, I love a crew neck, but whatever. I got the boyfriend hoodie. I wanted the racing green. I'm gonna order the joggers as well. Ugh. Why did I get a hoodie? And then from the 12 days, I wanted the ice green soft motion leggings. I already have like the tank top that I wanted to pair these with. And then this is what I'm gonna put on right now. I never got the soft motions black jacket. And so that's what I picked up. And you know, if you shop at Honor, code Kesha, Kesha, all caps. And thank you everybody who continues to use my code. Like, I appreciate y'all. For real, for real. So for Tron's gift, I didn't know what the heck to get him. He got expensive taste, okay? That's an expensive man, especially when it comes to his electronics. So he's just like an electronic guy. That's all he really cares about. And he can buy electronics for me, but I can't buy them for him. He knows all the tech stuff. I do not. I was like, okay, what can I do for Christmas this year? And I was like, oh, I could start on his game room. He's never gone through with finished decorating. And he's been saying that he wants a standing desk. So I got him the base. I ordered him a new darker wood tabletop from IKEA. And then he likes to walk too, so he can use my walking pad to walk on. I got him a rug because he be sliding around on that carpet up there. And then the sun is just going in and out. I got him a new office desk chair to protect his back because that chair up there is just not good. But I am going to decorate his office for him. I'm gonna start here with just a few things and then we'll go from there. He's in his office the entire time. So I want him to have like a space that is just like nicely decorated and that he enjoys being in. I'm gonna get curtains in there. I'm gonna make sure I get some floating shelves. We'll get some cool lighting. Some of the stuff I'm waiting on because I want him to kind of pick a few things, but everything else I'm doing myself. I'll make sure I record the whole process so you guys can see all of that, which will be really nice. A remote control car for my nephew, but I had no idea how freaking big it was. And so this I was gonna pack up and ship, and I was like, absolutely not. So I just placed a new order and had it shipped directly to my sisters. I got my niece, she wanted this bracelet making kit. This other package that I'm gonna be taking back because I didn't realize how heavy it was. 2-in-1 axe and archery. So him and his little friends outside, they can just like shoot the arrows and throw the little fake axes. Yeah, and this thing is heavy. So I'm returning these. The other ones have already been delivered, so we're good to go. All right, took the photo. Hopefully I got something good in there. Oh, I forgot they show up on my phone. Oh yes, honey. I played around with my hair, got switched sides down the middle, but something in there gotta work. So I'll play around with that later, but let's get on out of here. Okay, listen, is it the next day? Yes, it is. Was it supposed to be a daily vlog? It was. I got home and I don't know what happened. I don't know if I forgot I was filming or what. By the time I was done running to the stores, UPS was closed. So I'm gonna go ship my niece's gift off right now. I always save like gift boxes or PR boxes that have no labels so I can reuse them. Ulta, this is stuff for me. I have 2 things from the Protective Style line, which is the detangling spray, which is so clutch if you're wearing curly bundles, because these take forever to detangle. And with that spray, honey, I'm through. And then also the refreshing scalp spray. Y'all know sew-ins be itching. And I have no I've been perfectly fine with that. Sacred is so good. I'm sorry, it's so good. It's so expensive, but it's good. So I did want to pick up the detoxing shampoo. I gotta wash my hair soon, so I want to get in there with that. And then I also got the hair and scalp balm, which I want to try out. And then I just picked up some more Naturium body wash. But here are the other things I got my niece. I got her a little tiny little Bioma skincare. It's just like a hydrating duo, the cleanser, a serum, and a moisturizer. She's still a little youngin'. And then, of course, you gotta have the headband and the wrist wraps for not getting water everywhere. Thought this was cute, and she's a little girly girl. She had wanted the Sol de Janeiro. They had like a holiday spray set. That thing sold out everywhere. And also all of their smells don't smell good anyway. So I got her the purple one, the 59. I think this one smells the best. Silk scrunchies for her hair. A little touchlet hand sanitizer because these are just cute. And then I got her a little lip oil. There we go. I'm just wearing the Honor built-in tanks. These are my favorite. Don't have to wear a bra with them, and they look good with regular clothes. Y'all see these jeans 100 times because they're just so comfortable. I got these at like the men's section in the thrift store. And then they have like little ties on the side so you can tie a little tight. And then I got on some little Adidas sneakers. So let's go.
Gave you the benefit of the doubt. It took me a while to figure out that you knew exactly what you were doing. Can't believe I was that naive to let all the blame for it back on me when it was all a part of your scheme. Oh, it's really clever that way you don't have to put in any effort. Don't have to improve because you're making all the rules, so it's a setup. Oh, it's really clever, convincing me out to some nobody, so the only option here is that a setup. Oh, it's a setup.
I am back home. I stopped at a couple places and there was just nothing that I was feeling. Time to tackle this desk because it has been sitting here for months and I have not finished it. One, I did go ahead and get like all of the sticky tape stuff all on here. I need to resand some areas, that way I can repaint it, because the problem is that I left the tape on too long and then the paint dried, so when I pulled it pulled off chunks of the tape. Got this Goo Gone from Amazon, and then I got this little scraper tool, and then I got a sander to go ahead and sand and handle everything. Okay, so that was actually very easy to do. I've been procrastinating this forever just because if you know trying to get leftover tape off is a nightmare. It came right off. I need to paint, and it's only just like touch-up paints, but I don't think I have a small enough paintbrush. I might have to go and find like an old makeup brush to use. But let me show you the little insert because these are specifically made for the Alex drawers. so much time later, but we're gonna make some dinner. I'm gonna make some garlic shrimp, like lemon orzo pasta. That orzo chicken broth. Thawed out my shrimp, asparagus, garlic, parmesan, lemon, onion, or shallot, and I think that is all. Oh, heavy cream. I'll put the recipe down below. Dinner is made. Got the lemon shrimp orzo. I was gonna add asparagus, but I changed my mind and decided to just pour in like half a bag of frozen spinach. I already took a bite because I had to like test it the whole time. Now when it comes to orzo, you gotta keep adding liquids and steaming it until it's cooked, because when I first took a little bite, it was hard as heck. So I added more chicken broth, covered it, cooked it longer, tasted again, it was still hard. But the thing is, you have to keep stirring, otherwise it will burn at the bottom. Constantly stir it, check it, add more liquid to it, cover it, and then yeah, go from there. And then you might have to adjust it, like I did end up putting some chicken bouillon in there. Otherwise, it's very good. Baby, you want some? You hungry? Want some food? I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm just gonna sit here. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna read, shower, and then go to bed. All right, I'm popping in here to close out today's vlog. Yeah, I gotta edit and get something up because y'all be bullying me. Okay, y'all be bullying me to post. The thing is, I don't be doing nothing. Okay, I really don't be doing nothing. So I'm just like, what am I supposed to film? So hopefully you enjoyed this little vlog of just random stuff. Next vlog should be much better. It's gonna be all my Christmas dinner prep we're hosting. It'll be a lot, okay? Decor, setting up the place, doing the menu, doing the drinks, doing all of that. So next video will be fun. If you made it to the end of this vlog, thank you so much for tuning in. Oh, and stay tuned for my like beauty room setup. I just didn't find anything in store that I wanted, so I'll be like ordering things online, and you guys will see that in the later vlog when that's all done. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.